Hello, tech fans. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the all-new Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. It was just announced on September 21st, and it's making quite a splasher in the smartphone world. In this review, we'll take a close look at its specs and features. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus boasts a sleek and stylish look. It comes in 4 stunning colors: black, white, violet, and camo green. The body is built with Gorilla Glass Victus on the front and has an aluminum frame, ensuring both durability and a premium feel. Its dimensions are 161.4 by 74.2 by 8.9 mm, and it weighs 204.5 grams plus, it's IP68 certified, making it dust and water resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Moving on to the display. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus packs a gorgeous 6.67-inch OLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and an impressive peak brightness of 1800 nits. With a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, it offers sharp visuals and vibrant colors, giving you an immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, this phone is a powerhouse. This device is powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 7200 Ultra chipset, featuring an octa-core processor clocked at 2.8 GHz. It runs on Wi-Fi 802.11, supports Bluetooth 5.3, and offers precise positioning with GPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, and QZSS. It also comes with NFC and an infrared port for added versatility. It does offer a USB Type-C 2.0 port for charging and data transfer. Storage-wise, you've got options. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus comes with either 256GB of storage with 12GB of RAM, or a whopping 512GB of storage with 12GB or 16GB of RAM, all using the speedy UFS 3.1 technology. When it comes to audio, this device doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with loud stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience. However, you'll have to rely on wireless or USB-C headphones as it doesn't have a 3.5mm jack. It does, however, support high-quality 24-bit 192kHz audio. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus also packs a range of sensors, including an under-display optical fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and compass. Powering this smartphone is a 5000 mAh LiPo battery that's non-removable. But what's truly impressive is the 120W wired charging, which claims to go from 0 to 100% in just 19 minutes. That's lightning-fast charging right there. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus features a triple camera setup, headlined by a massive 200MP wide-angle lens with an f1.7 aperture, multidirectional PDAF, and OIS. It also has an 8MP ultra-wide lens with a 120-degree field of view, and a 2MP macro lens for those up-close shots. With features like dual-LED dual-tone flash, HDR, and panorama mode, you'll be capturing stunning photos and videos in no time. It supports 4K video recording at 24/30 frame per second and 1080p at 30/60, 120fps. On the front, we have a 16MP selfie camera with HDR support, ensuring your selfies are Instagram ready. Now, let's talk about the price. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus starts at 1,899 Chinese yuan, which is roughly around $261 for the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. If you need more storage, Xiaomi offers 512GB storage options with 12GB. Or 16GB of RAM for 2,099 Chinese yuan, $288, and 2,199 Chinese yuan, $302, respectively. So there you have it, folks, a quick review of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. With its stunning design, impressive display, powerful performance, and feature-packed camera, it's certainly a smartphone worth considering. If you're looking for a device that offers top-notch specs without breaking the bank, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus might just be the one for you. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, stay tuned.